Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari, the iconic name in motorsports and luxury supercars, has entered the world of motorhomes, and they've done it in the most breathtaking way imaginable. This isn't just a luxury RV, it's a masterpiece of design, performance, and technology, reimagining what a motorhome can be. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome looks like it belongs more on a racetrack than in a campground. The sleek aerodynamic design is unmistakably Ferrari, featuring flowing lines, aggressive curves, and a low-slung profile that defies the traditional boxy RV shape. The motorhome sits on a carbon composite chassis with active aerodynamic elements, including adjustable flaps and a deployable rear diffuser, enhancing both stability and visual drama. LED lighting all around, a wraparound windshield, and 26-inch alloy wheels finished in Ferrari's signature forged carbon complete the futuristic yet athletic look. The prancing horse emblem on the front grille reminds you this is no ordinary touring vehicle. Inside, the Ferrari motorhome embraces a minimalistic yet ultra-premium feel. Italian leather, carbon fiber trims, and Alcantara touches dominate the cabin. There's a compact yet luxurious lounge area, a kitchenette equipped with cutting-edge appliances, a foldable queen-sized bed, and a smart integrated control system for lighting, climate, and entertainment. While space is limited compared to traditional RVs, every inch has been engineered for both comfort and performance, just like any Ferrari. Underneath its sleek body lies a monstrous hybrid V12 engine derived from the LaFerrari platform, paired with Ferrari's latest electric motors to deliver a combined output of over 1,100 horsepower. This motorhome rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds, thanks to advanced torque vectoring and all-wheel drive. The suspension system is adapted from Ferrari's GT cars, featuring adaptive dampers and rear-wheel steering for surprisingly agile handling. Whether cruising through mountain roads or powering down a highway, it delivers a driving experience unlike any other RV on the planet. When it comes to safety, Ferrari has equipped this motorhome with the most advanced systems available. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree cameras. The structure is reinforced with lightweight composites designed to absorb impact energy, while the cabin integrates AI-powered collision prediction software to proactively prevent accidents. Despite being a high-performance machine, it does not compromise on the safety of its occupants. What truly sets the 2026 Ferrari motorhome apart is its identity. This isn't just a luxury vehicle, it's a high-speed mobile lifestyle. It merges the soul of a supercar with the practicality of a home. Built for the elite traveler who refuses to compromise, it offers features like a built-in drone helipad, a Ferrari-designed espresso bar, and a retractable rooftop deck with solar panel integration. Even the onboard infotainment system is tuned for Ferrari's unique drive modes, giving drivers the option to switch from comfort touring to track-inspired sport dynamics. As expected, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome starts at an astronomical $3.5 million, with customization packages easily pushing it over $5 million. Only 49 units will be made worldwide, making it one of the rarest Ferraris ever produced, and certainly the most unique. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in luxury mobility. It challenges conventions, merges seemingly opposite worlds, and delivers a travel experience reserved for the absolute pinnacle of taste and performance. If you've ever dreamed of blending adrenaline and adventure with elegance and comfort, Ferrari just made that dream a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing automotive content.